Welcome to the review of Unit 13. Family members of patients with Alzheimer's or dementia are strongly in favor of conditional approvals. They would rather take their chances on a medicine that might work rather than wait years for finding out if something will actually work. Take one's chances.
Take one's chances.
These diseases are slow-moving, but people feel that having some sort of hope with medicine that might possibly work is worth it. The existing evidence of Aduhelm's effectiveness does not yet warrant approval even on a conditional basis. Furthermore, the drug is expensive and would cost users around $54,000 per year. Warrant.
Warrant.
And that sounds like a lot of money for something which hasn't even been proven to be fully effective. In fact, 3 members of the FDA were so outraged by the decision to approve this drug that they actually quit their posts in protest over this decision. Now, it is understandable why people feel so strongly about this. After all, there is a lot of concern in the medical sphere about rushing treatment and rushing cures for things when we don't know the full extent of their effectiveness. We know, for example, that a lot of people felt skeptical about the COVID-19 vaccines when they were first released because of how quickly they were developed. Typically, it takes something like 5 years, whereas in this case, it took less than 1 year to develop. But it has to be said, at least in the case of something like Moderna, that the vaccines have been a tremendous and resounding success. So hopefully the same is true of this drug as well.
Resounding.
Resounding.
Do you think with the speed of the COVID-19 vaccine approvals, do you think that regular approval processes need to be sped up for other drugs?
I mean, there's a reason why it was so fast in their development of it. I mean, it's because the whole world shut down, basically. So they needed to expedite the process. But as I understand it, they didn't skip any processes, unless you're talking about Sputnik V. They didn't miss anything. It's just that they put all of their effort into producing the vaccine that it was produced really quickly. That's how we got that result. Like, it just goes to show, if you put your mind to something and if you put all your resources and all your willpower behind it, you can achieve it way faster than you think you can.
That'll do it for the review. We'll see you guys back for the next unit. Take care.